Hello, amazing artist. First thing I want you to do is to make sure that you take your pencil and write your name in the top. Check your shoulder body, please. Now, we're going to do, this is a review, and it's a 4th and 5th grade, so you've done it before, but it's a great review. This sheet that I made, and I'm going to run through it kind of quick, and then I'm going to show you videos at the end, and then you can color it while you're watching the videos. So color equals hue, definition of color, what your eye sees reflected off an object, and then you're going to need red, yellow, blue, which are your primary colors. If you don't remember, shame on you. R stands for red. I'm going to color through kind of quick, not fill the whole thing in. I want you to do the same, and you can finish it later. So there's my red, yellow, blue. Okay, check your shoulder body. Like I said, we're going to move through kind of quick on this. Now the secondary colors. You're going to say red on the circle and red on the square. And if you look on the color wheel over here, they match. Okay, so the circles are the primary colors, the squares are the secondary colors. Then you're going to say yellow on the circle. Let me get a little closer so you can see a little better. Yellow on the circle, yellow on the square. And that's right, I've made orange. Then I have red on the circle and red on the square. And you should be using your crayons or colored pencils on this, please. No markers, because they do not blend very well. Blue on the circle, blue on the square, and you've created purple. Then we have blue on the circle, blue on the square, yellow on the circle, yellow on the square. Now you've made green. The next part, artist, says tertiary colors are intermediate, the same thing. So there is a primary plus a secondary equals a tertiary. And I'm not worried about you coloring that in, but I want you to see that here. So if I have a primary mixed with a secondary, it becomes a tertiary, which would be blue-green. Complementary colors, they are colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel. So let me zoom out and show you. So purple, its complementary color would be yellow. Blue's complementary color, going for a walk, would be orange right across it. And then I have red would be going across, would be green. And I'm going to choose these two colors. So then I've got over here, I've got green. And then I have red. There you go. You choose your complementary colors. Now I'm going to back it back out. Go up to the top here. Then I have warm and cool. Zoom in so you can see a little better. Warm colors are like the sun. So I need to get my orange, red, and yellow out. And I'm just coloring over it so I know it as a reference. Okay. And the cool colors are green, purple, and blue. And the saying that I like to use for that is cool colors are like the pool, trees, and the breeze. Analogous colors. 3 colors side by side on the color wheel. So let's go look at the color wheel. So I could have yellow, yellow, orange, and orange. So I'm going to take my yellow and my orange, zoom out so you can see, there we go. And I'm going to take yellow, color the first heart, color the second heart, and then I'm going to color the last heart and color the second heart. And when the color that is blended together is the analogous color, and they create a harmony. Monochromatic, one color adding black or white. Now I'm going to get out my crayons here. I've got black and I've got white. Then I'm going to choose my favorite color, which is purple, and I'm going to color it one color. So go ahead and fill in that rectangle, artist. Okay. Now, if you were using paints, you would be able to tell a lot easier than you are with the crayons. So there I'm adding black on one side, really dark on the one end, getting lighter, and it goes in the middle. Now, when I add this white, you're not really going to see it. But, artist, you would see this if it was with paint. Value. Tones, tints, or shades. Now, I have a hard time remembering this artist, so I'm just going to be honest with you. Tints, I want you to think of a big white tent if you went to the circus. And so then I would write in the word white, because you couldn't really see that. So think of white tints, okay? Tones are actually gray. I don't have a gray here, so I'm going to color this lightly with my black. And I would write in gray. And shades, of course, are black. So I would color underneath it so you can still read the word. And I would write in black. Tones, tints, and shades. Coloring the color wheel artist. I'm going to show you my trick of how to do it quick. You can do it how you want while we're watching the videos. So I'm going to show you examples. So if this is red, that is red, that is red, and that is red. So I'm going to color just the section so then I know that that part is red. And I'm going to move it around. So I'm moving it kind of quick. I'm not coloring in the whole thing. That's okay. Like I said, you can color this in later. Okay, and I'm just going to show you a portion of it, and then I'll speed up my camera. The next color that I see is purple. So this is purple, that is purple, and that is purple. So I would color this section. Here's an example of a color wheel. Usually I pass these around, but I'm not this year because of COVID. And it has great examples of different, like here's the definition for primary, secondary, tertiary, warm and cool. I also have posters around the room that you can look at for examples. And then there's more information on the back. So I just wanted you to see what a real color wheel looked like. And we also have one on our board at the front.